The right Murphy bed or space-saving sleep setup can be surprisingly difficult. Some look great online but end up being uncomfortable, flimsy, or frustrating to use. So I spent time testing 5 popular options to see how they actually perform in real life. Whether you're furnishing a guest room, small apartment, RV, or multi-purpose space, I've got the details you need before spending your money.
Product number 1. Floating bed frame full size with RGB LED lights and charging station. I first unpacked this bed frame, the modern floating design immediately grabbed my attention. Once assembled, it genuinely looked like the mattress was hovering above the floor. The built-in LED lighting wrapped around all 4 sides, creating a clean and stylish appearance that stood out in my bedroom. During testing, the lighting system was surprisingly fun to use. I played around with different colors, music sync modes, and brightness levels depending on the mood. The charging station quickly became one of my favorite features because I could plug in my phone, tablet, and smartwatch without reaching for extension cords. The frame itself felt extremely solid. I noticed no wobbling, squeaking, or shifting even after several nights of use. The underbed storage space was also useful for shoes and storage bins. If you're creating a modern bedroom and want something that feels high-tech and sturdy, this is a strong choice. However, if maximizing storage and simplicity matter more, the next option offers a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Linspaw Folding Metal Platform Bed Frame. I held the components of the Linspaw frame. I was surprised by how lightweight everything felt. At first, I wondered whether it would feel sturdy enough, but that concern disappeared once I set it up. Assembly was incredibly fast. I unfolded the frame, tightened a few bolts by hand, and it was ready in less than 5 minutes. That's one of the quickest furniture setups I've ever tested. The steel construction felt stable, and after sleeping on it for several nights, I didn't notice any sagging or movement. What really stood out was the storage space underneath. With 13 inches of clearance, I could easily store boxes, luggage, and seasonal items. That makes a huge difference in smaller rooms, where every bit of storage matters. I also like that it works with virtually any mattress without requiring a box spring. The support felt even across the entire surface. If you're looking for an affordable, practical, and easy-to-assemble bed solution, this one is worth considering. But for flexible guest sleeping arrangements, the next product offers something unique.
Product number 3. Gem Bed Tri-Folding Mattress Queen Size. I immediately noticed the thick memory foam construction. After allowing it time to fully expand, it looked and felt much more substantial than many folding mattresses I've tested before. I used it as a guest bed during a weekend visit from family, and the feedback was surprisingly positive. The high-density memory foam adapted well to pressure points and provided enough support for a comfortable night's sleep. I also tried it myself on the floor for several nights and woke up feeling far better than expected. The portability is where this mattress really shines. I folded it up, carried between rooms, and even tested it inside an RV. The handles made transportation simple, while the removable cover made cleanup easy after regular use. My favorite part was its versatility. It worked as a guest bed, floor lounger, and even a temporary seating area during movie nights. If you frequently host overnight guests but don't have a dedicated guest room, this mattress makes a lot of sense. That flexibility continues with the next option.
Product number 4. Lazy ZZ Tri-Fold Folding Mattress. The first thing I noticed about the Lazy ZZ mattress was how soft the bamboo fabric cover felt. It immediately gave the mattress a more premium feel compared to many foldable mattresses I've handled in the past. During testing, I used it both as a guest bed and as a lounge chair while reading and watching movies. The convertible design worked well, and switching between configurations took only a few seconds. The memory foam layer did a great job relieving pressure around my shoulders and hips, while the support foam underneath prevented that sinking feeling some folding mattresses can have. I also appreciated the waterproof bottom layer. When using it on different floor surfaces, the mattress stayed in place instead of sliding around. The carrying handle made moving it from room to room effortless. Another nice touch was the washable cover, which made maintenance simple after extended use. If you need a comfortable folding mattress for guests, camping, or small living spaces, this model delivers a nice balance of comfort and convenience. Still, for solo sleepers, the final product may be an even better fit.
Product number 5. Lazy ZZ Folding Mattress Single Memory Foam Tri-Fold Mattress. I first unfolded this single-size version. It felt like the perfect solution for compact spaces. It offers many of the same benefits as the larger model, but in a much more portable package. I tested it in a home office that occasionally doubles as a guest room. The mattress unfolded quickly, and the 6-inch thickness provided enough cushioning to feel comfortable without taking up too much storage space when folded away. The memory foam adjusted nicely to my body, helping reduce pressure points during overnight use. The bamboo fiber cover remained breathable throughout the night, and I appreciated being able to remove and wash it whenever needed. Carrying the mattress was easy thanks to the built-in handle, making it practical for road trips, camping, or moving between rooms. What impressed me most was how little space it required when stored. It tucked neatly into a closet and stayed completely out of the way. If you're furnishing a small room or need a reliable portable sleeping solution for one person, this is an excellent option in a practical way to finish today's list.
Those are my picks for the best Murphy bed alternatives and space-saving solutions available right now. Whether you need a sturdy bed frame, a guest bed, or something portable for travel, there's a good option here. Check the links in the description for current prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.